Alright, what's up you guys? It's for Seiko. I know it's been a little minute, about like a week or two. I wanted to hold off on vlogging because I was really gonna try to get the next vlog of us shipping out the engine. So, well, not the engine but the block. So right now, apparently my Disney right here wants to act up, of course. Cause I take it out racing and stuff, so yeah. How y'all guys been doing? Leave it down in the comments below and I will reply back. And yeah, so as I was saying, you guys, as I was saying, hold on. I got y'all right there in the on the cluster. Hold on. But anyways, like I was saying, you guys, yeah, I haven't been vlogging because I really wanted to ship out the engine, but we have issues. Like we have, like, you know, responsibilities that pop up in front of us, and on top of that, I was gonna get the block machine and prepped in Florida from Massworks Racing. And I already like talked to them and they talked to me and we kind of like back and forth talking, so I'm decided to go do business with them. Only way I found them was because of Devil's V. So yeah, but anyways, the real reason of this video today is because we're dropping off this V to get the transmission, get another used transmission for it. Because you know me, I bang gears and sometimes you tend to miss them, and that tends to mess the synchros up. So yeah, but yeah, the other night, well, 2 nights ago, I decided I was lining up with a Ford Fiesta, I think, and it was a full boat on, but we was going from like a dig, but I wanted to do it like a 40 because my 40s now, it is like insane. Like I love 40s now. I used to hate 40s because my second gear wasn't all that, you know, this and that, but I decided to go ahead and do it. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna get back with y'all when we at the shop. So yeah, enjoy. Alright, you guys, so yeah, I dropped the Z off. He was telling me about how some of his transmissions were like in his Z. And it's weird because every 300 it'd be 4th gear, and that's crazy. I don't know why, but I figured I was gonna try to get the J-Spec 98 model transmission, but I was like, nah, I better not do that, because even if I do get that, I think I had heard some rumors about those transmissions. They not all that. You basically be better off with a factory transmission. So yeah, I ain't been back here in a minute. no lie, you guys, been busy. I really do want to get like some of this stuff together because I really do want to. I really do want to get it on the road. But the main thing is getting the motor together, then all the wires and all that. Get that situated, and I'm gonna get a some sheet metal for the rear. And yeah, but anyways, you guys, like I was saying, so I got that at the shop right now, and then I end it right here, you guys. I ain't gonna keep talking because I'm gonna just throw in some clips of me doing some races. I'll probably throw in the G35 I raced recently, the the Ford Fiesta or the Ford ST. Let me see. Do I even have that? I think I do. I'm not sure. I might have it. It might be a Ford ST, a Ford Focus ST. I'm not sure. I'm gonna see if I have that or not, but who knows. But anyways, a Genesis Coupe 2.0, another Genesis Coupe 2.0 that's got a couple miles done to it. And what else? But majority of them are 40 rolls, so y'all enjoy those, and I see y'all in the next one.